Francis. Okay, sige, Kuya Francis. In order for you to win this next creature feature, all you have to do is to present your right hand at i-promise mo sa akin na kahit anong animals ang ilalagay ko dyan, huwag mo siyang ibabagsak. Okay? Now, on our next creature feature, we have the Eastern Bearded Dragon. Come on, mabait yan, yan. Now, these guys can reach the land from up to 24 inches, that's about 2 feet. Now, they are omnivores as they eat insects and green leafy vegetables. And they got the name from the spiny pouch that pops up on their lower jaw, which resembles their beard. And because of their shy and common nature, sila po ay perfect pets for kids. So, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin si Kuya Francis. And of course, sa aming bearded dragon, thank you very much, Kuya Francis. Okay. Moving on to our next creature feature. Again, tawag po ulit ako. How about yung mga mommy at daddy? Mommy at daddy. Okay, come on guys. Sige sir, ikaw na lang. Yan, bagay na bagay sa ito sir. Susunod na creature feature namin. Hello sir, good morning. And of course, anong pangalan? Okay sir, Echo, in order